Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss paano natin i-input yung present value ordinary annuity, pati yung present value annuity due sa calculator natin. So I'm going to use yung basic calculator lang. Let's have this one. Normally, okay, for example, 5 years yan. At yung usually nilalagay natin as n is equal to 5. Minsan t, kaso mostly n. Ang dito, effective interest rate gagamitin natin dito. So pag 12% yan, that is 0.12, diba? Sa CalQ, start ka sa 1.12. Dagdagan mo ng 1. Okay? And popos ko muna to at i-video ko kung paano siya i-input sa calculator. Okay?
Okay, so let's start with present value. Present value natin, so lagay ko 1.12, diba? Was 5 years yan. I-divide mo siya. Divide, 1, 2. O, dalawang beses. Tapos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yun yun. Ito yung present value. Okay, so 0.5674. Hmm. Paano naman kapag present value ordinary annuity? Okay, so 1.12 divide equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kasi 5 years. Minus 1 ka, yan, nag-negative, okay lang yan. Divide mo siya sa 0.12 kasi 12%, diba? Yan. Tanggalin mo yung negative at ayun yung mismo sagot. So usually 4 decimal places yan eh. So 3.6048 kasi nag-7, ito 7 yan, diba? So magiging 8 na to. Alright, so 3.6048. Depende yun sa prof or, mostly 4 decimal places ko. Kung ibubuo, edi, kayo bahala. Kapag present value annuity due. Okay. Remember, 5 years, diba? 5 years. Oh, ito na yun. 5 years. So, 5 years, magiging 4 na lang. 1.12, divide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lang. Kasi 5 years eh. Minus 1. Divide mo ng 0.12. Tapos, tanggalin mo yung negative muna. Mag-add ka ng 1. Ito na yung sagot sa present value annuity due. 4.0373. Yun na lang. Okay?
Alright, so going back, ito na yung mga factors natin. Yung present value, 0.5674. Present value ordinary annuity, ito yung factor natin. Present value annuity due, 0.0373. So, paano natin siya ginagamit? Okay, ang video kasi na talaga ito para sa pag-input ng sa calculator. So, I will just give you a snapshot kung a very short explanation lang. Present value, kung yung principal mismo, babayaran siya at the end of the term. So, kunyari, ang principal is 1 million, mumultiply mo yan dito. That is 0.5674. Ito yung sagot dito, yun yung magiging present value ng pera mo after 5 years. Yung 5 years. Yung present value ordinary annuity, ginagamit ito mostly sa interest to eh. Pag yung interest, binabayaran siya annually, so 3.6048. Ganun siya. Okay. This is annually ha. Kasi kapag semi-annually yan, it will be a different story. It will be mas ibang kwento yon. Maybe sa susunod kong video ko siya gagawin. So annually lang to ha. So present value ordinary annuity, for example, yung 1 million notes payable na yon, may interest na 10%. Nyari 10% interest. Kung kunin mo yung 1 million, ay 10% ng 1 million, that's 100,000. At i-multiply mo siya dito. Yan, kung present value ordinary annuity. Ano ba pinagkaiba, sir, ng present value ordinary annuity sa annuity due? Dali lang yan. Kung sinabi sa problem, nga rin, nag-start sa January 1, di ba? January 1, 2026. Kapag yung interest daw, babayaran pa siya at the end of the year, after 1 year, kunwari December 31, 2026, that's ordinary annuity. Kaso, kapag present value annuity due, pag sinabi, okay, January 1 nangutang, tapos babayaran agad yung interest ng January 1 din mismo. Nagbayad din agad, then annuity due gagamitin mo. So, i-multiply mo itong 100K sa 4.0373. Again, hindi to buong lecture ng notes payable, I'm just want you to show kung paano siya ini-input sa calculator ng base calculator at yung pinaka-basic lang, ano ba, what yung present value, ordinary annuity, but may present value annuity due pa. Okay? So, I really prefer using the basic calculator kaysa dun sa scientific kasi ang dami pang ano doon, magkamali ka ng input, but this one, ito, notes payable friendly yung calculator natin sa pagkuha ng present value. Ayun lang. Maybe after ng videos gawa ako pag semi-annually naman siya. Alright? Okay. And that's all. So, if you have questions or you need clarifications naman, you may n- comment comment down or you can PM me na lang. Sa isang school lang naman tayo. So, Fai Pizza, I'm already third year. Yun lang. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll see you again on my next video. Please like and subscribe na rin. Salamat. Bye.